Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Elena and I am a digital sketcher, and today we are drawing some urban sketcher. What you can see here is the beginning of the Cologne city. I'm drawing here some houses and that's the first thing I start with. So I start drawing the houses and the forms. You can see how I'm drawing the cathedral behind the houses. Well, this is a speed time drawing, so if you would like to see a real-time tutorial on urban sketching or landscape sketching or whatever, just let me know. I will do that for you. Right now I'm just sketching out the lines, and that's what I do in the first step. If you are interested in the brushes and in the tools I use, I can upload them and then you can simply download all the brushes I use. Just click the link down below in the description box. I use only 5 brushes: sketch, marker, dry brush, pencil 6B, and some glitters. If you would like to have the color palette I used for this tutorial, feel free to ask, I will also upload it. After my draft version is finished, I make the layer more transparent and I create a new layer, and then I start drawing the clean lines, which will make my sketch very beautiful by the end of the drawing. So I create very clear lines, and I also decided to draw some trees. The form of the trees isn't really important to me, so I just wanted to give the idea of the tree, and by the end of the sketch you will see how it turned out. After I'm done with the lines, I start drawing the shadows. So I put the shadows only there where necessary. So I look where the light comes from, and if I feel that I need some shadows in a particular place, then I will draw the shadows. If not, then not. So don't put too much. After I'm done with shadows, I'm starting to color my sketch, and to color it I usually use my marker brush. So I usually use some layers, and I also put first of all the basic color, and then I start drawing the shadows and the highlights. What I usually do, I create a basic color. For example, for the greenhouse, I created a layer where I used the green color, and then I created one more layer and I used the clipping mask. So all the highlights and shadows and everything what I create will stay on this green layer, so to say. So it will stay within the greenhouse and I won't need to erase anything. And the same with all the other houses. I created separate layers, and then I created some new layers which I used as clipping masks. If you want to know more and to see how exactly I do it, let me know. I will be happy to help you. Time for me to draw out this window. Somehow it took me so long, I don't know why. Sketching is pretty simple, so I'm pretty sure everyone can do that. You just need to know where to put the light and where to put the shadow. Yeah, now look at the trees. Here I use the sprinkle brush and I just put some green tones, darker and lighter, and then I put some pinky tones to put like some flowers on these trees. In the end of my drawing, I create a new layer above all the layers, and I use my 6B pencil to create the highlights where necessary. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if so, then give this video a thumb up, and I wish you a nice day. And that's it. Bye!